And it's smooth now. I think I'm happy with the texture. It's all right.
My name is Friederike Grace. I did the Living Food course in the herbal school, and it's a beautiful course that teaches you all about raw food preparation. And there is really beautiful teachers that bring that subject to life and are really enthusiastic about raw food. And it would actually surprise you about all the recipes that are easy to follow and really nutritious and bringing the life force back into the body.
Garlic, olive oil, cayenne pepper, black pepper, and salt.
Wow.
And then Gavita as well, about 3 tablespoons. And then the pesto then is made with pine nuts, nettles from Castlecomer, rocket, basil, flat leaf parsley, lemon juice, tamari, garlic, and crushed garlic.
And we're gonna make with oil. Now, freshly from garden, freshly from the shop, all washed.
I don't know what they taste like. Fabulous.
Sometimes it's not happening if you're not adding enough coconut oil, as you said.
It's really delicious and healthy. I really enjoyed the sprouting part, or the making kombucha and making soups from nuts and vegetables that are really delicious and nutritious.
We have roseberry at home, and it's going to flowering at the moment, so lovely little, so you can eat them.
The living food is that you won't cook vegetables or seeds or nuts. You just heat them slightly to 40 degrees, that the life force will stay intact and will nourish your body this way.
A variety of nuts gone into it, you'll see it there. Date syrup only, and then there's different types of seeds, so sesame, hemp, and what else did I put in? Chia seed and poppy seed. There's almond butter in them, and cacao powder. But I haven't tasted them either. I hope they're edible.
I like with pestos, they last really long time in fridge. That's no problem with them.
I do the sprouting and I do fermentation. People actually slag me. They say, if you stay too long in your house, you'll be afraid you will be fermented.
We're going to take out this stalk here. Fabulous smell of this. It tastes like fennel seeds, you know. And we're going to use some of the fronds for decoration. This is a refreshing salad.
And then this is how you know if you're putting too many or too little. They should just make contact with each other and not be too much.
It's so good for your body, because it's actually, you're putting live food into your body, and you can actually feel it, how your body, your cells are rejuvenated by that.
And they multiply. Chocolate mint took over garden, so we have big harvest to take, you know.
So I do that regularly, and we used to do juicing all year round, but now we just do it in batches, because it's a bit work intensive, but it's so worth it when we do it. It really makes a difference.
The job is more important than what you like. Okay, so the job is the thing, not you.
Tom, my husband, is a herbalist, and he's always on track with the latest, what we can do better, or he makes breakfast. He has a raw food breakfast every day and a raw food lunch. So it's really great to be steeped so deeply into that lifestyle.